Hello and welcome. It's Monday morning. I'm going to show you the highlights of my entire week. I hope you will enjoy it. Let's hit the road. So we arrived at the James McQueen site. That's the first exchange to do over here. They have a crusher to fit more stuff into the skip. So that's the first successful exchange this week. 2 more skips to pick up today. Let's hit the road. So we are coming into the forestry right now. I left my trailer here. I'm going to put it on the trailer and then I'm going to pick up the second one from Tom Doom. I've got this strange warning coming up that the screen wash level cannot be measured. Check that skip if it's not overloaded. So we are back in Korpach. I've got one more skip to do in town, but that's not very interesting, so I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, it's Tuesday. We are driving along Loch Lochy, and one of our destinations is over there on the other side of the loch. There is a big hydro scheme going on and exchange at Loch Garry fish farm. So I'm going to drop my trailer in the same spot as last time, as yesterday. Nice quiet car park in the woods. I've got a problem with reversing lights on my trailer. So we are coming up to Loch Garry fish farm. Looks pretty empty. This. So we are now turning off to other side of Loch Lochy. Oh, that was scary. Oh, look what happened to the back door of that skip. First things first, I think I'll do a maybe separate episode of that KILFINNAN run. If I do, I'll make it pop up over here. So we are at BSW in Korpach. I've got 2 skips to do from here and that will conclude my day, and I'm pretty sure that they both will be overloaded. Just like I thought, just look at it. These guys will never learn. That's absolutely ridiculous. And that's why they will never get new skips, because that would be just a big waste. Anyway, I will take these 2 around the loch, tip them, and that will conclude my Tuesday, so I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning and welcome. It's Wednesday today. Perhaps you can see a sky bridge over there, but if not, then surely you can see it now. That's exactly where we're going. We are going to the fish feed plant. I have to say that's a very nice day for it. And this sky bridge is just spectacular, I have to say. But anyway, we're going over there to the fish feed plant. But first, we will do off-hire from Brekish, which is just a few miles along the way. So we are at Maui fish feed plant. It's a very nice spot, I have to say, just beside the Sky Bridge, which is over there. And my job for today is to sit under that bridge over there, and guys will be loading the skips. So looks like an easy day coming up. I've got big piece with me, and we'll see how long I'll be. So after 2 hours of waiting, we left kayaking behind, back on the Sky Bridge. We are now passing Eirandonan Castle, one of the key points along 87. It's over there, as you can see. We can see that the season is slowly coming up. Camper vans are here. We are just coming up to Cluny, little hotel and the restaurant, and probably the most expensive filling station in maybe even in Scotland. These prices are far above what you see everywhere else. I'm not sure if anyone is getting fuel from there, but yeah, if you'll be passing this place, I really recommend to go a bit farther to Kyle, and you will save a few pounds surely. Someone is having a problem here. That's some load for such a small Iveco. So we are just turning off towards our depot, towards the landfill site. And it's Thursday. We are nearly there, but not quite there yet. We are now at Glenmoriston. It's -6 today, this morning. I'm dropping my trailer here. I've got two destinations. One is at the hatchery, so I'll quickly do it first, and then we have one exchange at the fish farm at Loch Torridon. Very nice road. Let's get it done. So we are slowly approaching fish farm. Loch Torridon is over there. Oh, and fish farm is over here actually. Okay. I've never done this skip. I've just seen a Maui sign. And here's the skip. But first I need to find a place to turn around. You know what, I've got no room to operate over here, so I'll just stick it over there and take the full one away. They'll have to shift it themselves. And that skip, because of the bar at the back, it won't go under the bridge. But I will worry about it when I get there. That's a fair trip ahead of me, 116 miles, so enough time to warm up in the car. So my fellow driver, Scotty, he claims that this skip will go under that bridge, suspension right down. He says that it should go under, so we'll see. Not so sure about it, but here we go. Not worried about the front of the skip, I'm worried about the bar at the back. There we go. Unfortunately, Scotty was right. And with this great view of Loch Hill and the Ben Nevis over there, let's call it a day. And tomorrow I've got a great run. I'm really looking forward for it, so I'll see you tomorrow. And it's Friday today. That's the first good news. And the second good news is that today we are going over there to Isle of Raasay.
It's actually a Raasay ammonite, a Raasay fossil that was, you know, traced and
Oh, right.
So they special label for.
Yeah. So that was a very nice tour, I have to say, on this distillery. I'll make a full video about the trip to Raasay. So I'll make it pop up here. That should be out no more than a week after this video. But now, let's hit the road again. So we are in port 3. That's my skip over there. Very nice. Very nicely stacked. So that's the last skip of the week. It's a long way back, 134 miles to Duski. So this is it, handbrake on, this is the moment. And for those interested, these are the statistics on the left from today, in the middle from this week, and on the right from the entire month. So that was the first episode of Catch Up series. I hope you will like it. I will do it now and again. Thank you all for watching, and like always, remember to stay between the verges and under the radar. I will see you on the next one.